how to make and create a report document on Google Docs PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Google Docs. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now let's refresh the page. So all what you have to do is go right here and click on report. If you didn't find it, just go to the search bar here in the top and search for report and you will find it. After you find it, click on it like this and it will take you to this page directly. Now right here you can change the report easily. As you can see, everything can be changed. And after you finish editing the report, all what you have to do now is so simple. Just go here, click on share, and the report is gonna be saved. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.